Feeding oneself yogurt. You giving some to Snap too? Or you're just going to eat it off your hand? There was a spoon earlier, but that got dropped on the floor. So now we're just using our hands. And really, that's kind of more fun anyways, isn't it, buddy? Does that taste good, Dylan? Dylan, is that good? What are you doing? What are you doing, silly? Mmm. Oh. Where's your spoon? Did it fall down there? Oh, Snap's gonna clean your hand for you. Ha ha ha. Mmm. Good stuff. Look at your face. You got yogurt everywhere. Is it tasty? Yeah. There you go. Oh, Snap. Thanks for helping. Mmm. Oh, Snap. Wait a minute, buddy. Oh, there it goes. Are you all done, Dylan? All done. Okay.